The hydrogen peroxide is a great disinfectant. The CDC does say that it is effective in killing viruses. So this is great for, and it needs to be 3%. It needs to stay in the dark container or it loses its stability. And it's great for wiping down your counters, wiping down products when you come home. And so you can do it two different ways. You can place it in a spray bottle, but as soon as it's away or it is out of this dark container, it does lose its stability. So it's important to use this right away, and after you're done, then within an hour or less, it's not going to be effective, even less than that. So it needs to be used right away. You can clean off all your countertops, but if you do that, you need to let them air dry for about 6 to 8 minutes for it to have its effectiveness after you clean down doorknobs and countertops and all that. And then right when you get home, you can have your products cleaned down with the hydrogen peroxide. Just spray them down. You can also take your paper towel and you can wipe down all of your everyday items like your phone. You can wipe down, like I said, doorknobs, anything really, for about 6 to 8 minutes after I cleaned it down. Another way is to dilute it so it won't be as strong, but you can take maybe a 1/4 cup of your peroxide, but also it's equal to a 1/4 cup of water. Well, this is a 1/2 cup, so I would need a 1/2 cup of peroxide in here. So there isn't quite a 1/2 cup in here. I'd say there's maybe not even a 1/4. So I would measure it equally, but I'm not going to do the full 1/2 cup because I know I won't use it. So if you do it this way, then you're going to need a longer amount of time, perhaps double the amount of time for its effectiveness. But yes, it can be diluted. It just needs to be equal parts, and you can do the same thing. Wipe down all of your products with the paper towel, and you can also add essential oils for smell if you like, if anybody has essential oils. And I don't know if many of you have hydrogen peroxide in your cabinets, because I know there is a shortage of everything, it seems like, for these type of things, for disinfectants. Hopefully you can find some. I know when I looked on Amazon, there is a delay in shipment, and it is backed up for how soon you can get it. This one I did already have from before, so I just wanted to show that. This is a great way to use hydrogen peroxide for disinfectants and to help maintain cleanliness in your home, and it's so easy and effective. You can use the washcloth, you can use a spray bottle, and if you want it to not be as strong, you can dilute it, or you can just use it straight from just hydrogen peroxide with no water, and it would be stronger. But also you want to only use what you're going to use in that moment, or it will be wasted because it loses its effectiveness and stability once it's out of this dark container. Okay, so I hope you found this useful, and hope this will help. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.